In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Midjourney Subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to complete checkout smoothly and securely. First, open your web browser and search for Midjourney. Click through to the official Midjourney website. Make sure you see a secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the real site. Once you're there, log in with your account using your usual sign-in method. If you already use Midjourney, this should feel familiar. After you're logged in, look for the subscribe button. This typically appears in the top navigation or in your account area. Click it to open your subscription options. You'll see different plans laid out. Choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. If you're just starting out, pick the tier that matches how often you plan to generate images. If you already know you'll be using it heavily, a higher plan may be more cost-effective. Next, decide whether you want monthly or yearly billing. Monthly gives you flexibility, yearly usually offers savings if you're committed for the long term. Once you've picked your plan and billing cadence, click subscribe to proceed to checkout. At checkout, you'll have the option to add a promotional code if you have one. Enter it now and apply it so any eligible discount is reflected. Then provide your email address. This is used for receipts and subscription communication, so make sure it's accurate. Choose your payment method. Options can vary by region, but if you're paying by card, you'll see fields for your card details. Enter your card number carefully, then the expiration date in the MMBlochYY format, followed by the CVC. The CVC is the 3 or 4-digit security code on your card. Add the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card to avoid verification issues. Next, enter your billing address. Use the address associated with your payment method as mismatches can cause declines. Double-check everything: card number, date, CVC, name, and address. When you're ready, click subscribe to submit your payment. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction with your bank as an added security step. Complete that if it appears. After processing, you should see a confirmation screen and receive a receipt by email. Your Midjourney subscription is now active, and you can start creating right away. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. If anything doesn't go through, recheck your details or try a different payment method. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your new Midjourney subscription.